Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can send money with Wise app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into our video. First and foremost, to send money with Wise, you need to first tap open your Wise app. So once you open your Wise app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the send option. So once you tap on the send option, you will be in this page where all you need to do is simply type the amount you want to send and hit the continue button. So after you hit the continue button, now all you need to do is simply tap on the name of the person, email address or Wise tag of the person you want to send money to. Once you type the correct ID, you have to tap on the person's name. If they are not on Wise, you need to add them on your Wise account by entering their account details as well. As you give them the complete details and fill in the necessary credentials, you will be able to send money with Wise to the respective account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.